Having cameras and actually being secure are two very different things. Most cameras often miss what matters, but the eufy PoE NVR security system S4 Max changes that. It brings together 4K resolution, 360 degrees coverage, and on-device AI to deliver a full-scale surveillance system that doesn't rely on the cloud. We're about to give you a complete breakdown of its hardware, smart features, and real-world performance, so you can decide if this is the upgrade your security setup needs right now. Once you buy yourself this beautiful camera, the eufy S4 Max, you don't just get a camera, you get a whole operation center. Inside the box, the triple-lens Bullet-PTZ camera, an 18-meter Ethernet cable, waterproof connector kit, wall/ceiling mount, and screws. The NVR hub is preloaded with 2 TB of storage, HDMI, LAN, 8 PoE ports, and yes, a USB mouse. The camera itself has a matte black shell, rugged build, and IP65 rating, so it's not scared of rain, dust, or spiders. To use the eufy PoE NVR security system S4 Max, plug it in, sync it up, and bolt it down. Using Power over Ethernet PoE, you can run one cable for both power and data. Setup is through the eufy app or your monitor thanks to HDMI output. The camera uses a spring lock mount and lets you adjust both vertically and horizontally for optimal placement. Recommended height is around 2 to 3 meters for the best field of view. Once you connect it to the NVR, the system initializes instantly and starts 24/7 recording. You won't have any Wi-Fi signal headaches here. The S4 Max is the industry's first PoE NVR security system with a 3-in-1 feature set. Triple-lens Bullet-PTZ cameras for unparalleled coverage, local AI that processes footage on device for faster and more secure alerts, and cross-camera tracking with auto-zoom, so motion detected in one camera seamlessly transfers to another, keeping you fully aware of what's happening on your property. If you want the full fortress treatment without recurring costs, the eufy PoE NVR security system S4 Max is it. It's not cheap, but what you get is a fully self-contained security network that works rain or shine, day or night, with no clawed strings attached. Check out this beautiful camera system for yourself by clicking the link in the description. That's all from Tech Utopia team. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.